Okay, hi there, I'm from Traveling Ted. I hope you like the video you're about to watch. As from the name, I like to travel, but in this age of coronavirus, not really a lot is happening. But I'm still trying to put up some videos of interest that you might enjoy or like. So if you like, please subscribe and stay positive and stay safe out there. Okay, bye. Hi there, this is Traveling Ted here on Wednesday the 22nd of April. Okay, now I'm doing a bit of gardening and digging up some stuff and everything, and I noticed this yesterday. I have a little friend to help me, okay, because if you look very carefully, you will see Mr. Robin, and he was here yesterday, and I noticed him. As I'm digging up, I'm obviously disturbing all the worms and insects and everything like that. And he was here yesterday, so it's like a win-win situation for him. I'm providing him with free food, and he's just lapping it up. You have a great time there, filling yourself. Alright? Traveling Ted, doing a bit of nature stuff here instead of traveling, eating, complaining. What a beautiful bird. And he was here yesterday, and there he goes. Up there to survey everything. Alright guys, bye.